Cryptocurrency brokerage entity Paxos has received a preliminary license from regulators to offer digital payment token services in Singapore, the company said Wednesday in a statement. The in-principle approval for a new Paxos Digital Singapore Pte Limited entity from the Monetary Authority of Singapore allows the firm to offer its services to customers under the Payment Services Act while awaiting full approval, the statement said. On receipt of full approval to conduct business in Singapore, Paxos will partner with enterprise clients to issue a USD-backed stablecoin, the group head informed. Global demand for US dollar has never been stronger, yet it remains difficult for consumers outside the US to get dollars safely, reliably, and under regulatory protections, Paxos head of strategy, Walter Hessert, said in a statement. Paxos regularly publishes a monthly attestation and reserve reports for its stablecoins, the report added. Paxos executives hope the offering will help the company attract new customers at a time when demand for stablecoins is high. According to brokerage firm Bernstein, the stablecoin market is expected to grow from $125 billion to $2.8 trillion in the next 5 years. The announcement comes just over a year after Paxos first received an operating license in the Southeast Asian country, which allowed it to offer tokenization, custody, and trade services under the same bill as Wednesday's announcement.
The US financial markets regulator, Securities and Exchange Commission, is delaying a decision on an application by HashDex to convert its existing Bitcoin futures exchange-traded fund into a spot vehicle. The agency has also delayed action on Grayscale's attempt to launch a new futures-based Ether ETF. In September, HashDex filed to convert its Bitcoin futures ETF into a spot Bitcoin ETF. Grayscale filed for its Ether futures ETF that same month. Both filings faced initial deadlines of November 17th for a decision, but the SEC today said it was extending this window according to a Wednesday filings. The delays come amid heightened anticipation of a spot Bitcoin ETF approval by the federal regulator, which has so far rejected every attempt to list such a product for the general investing public. Over a dozen companies have filed to launch spot Bitcoin ETFs in 2023, with several others now applying for similar products exposed to Ether, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. The regulator has yet to indicate how it might ultimately rule on the latest slate of applicants. Previous rejections raised concerns about the susceptibility of Bitcoin to market manipulation and the lack of surveillance sharing agreements, among other concerns. Applicants now say these concerns have been addressed or are no longer relevant after the approval of Bitcoin futures ETFs, a view an appeals court echoed earlier this year. The SEC has so far delayed making final decisions on these applications. Franklin Templeton, another Bitcoin ETF applicant, also faces a November 17th deadline, while other companies will not see any further decisions until 2024.
The New York State Department of Financial Services has strengthened its guidelines for listing or delisting cryptocurrencies in a move to protect crypto investors throughout the state. On Wednesday, NYDFS Superintendent Adrian Harris issued a statement in this regard. The updated guidelines will require crypto companies to submit their coin listing and delisting policies for NYDFS approval. The firm's policies will be measured against more stringent risk assessment standards to ensure that delisting occur in an orderly way that protects consumers and minimizes market disruptions, according to the statement. This guidance continues the department's commitment to an innovative and data-driven approach to virtual currency oversight, keeping pace with industry developments, Harris said. The new rules require companies to give advance for token delisting and to be more transparent with their customers about removing support for cryptocurrencies they once listed. In addition, the companies must formulate their policies based upon specific business model, operations, customers and counterparties, geographies of operation and service providers, and to the use, purpose and specific feature of coin being considered. The NYDFS rollout of the revised guidance follows a feedback period that began in September. That's all in this special segment. For more such updates, watch 3.tv or log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code to know more. Thank you.